Are you looking to take your business to the next level and achieve incredible growth? Well, today I'm here to show you how you can boost your business with momentum. Developing momentum is crucial because it creates a positive cycle of progress and success. One key factor in building momentum is setting clear, ambitious goals for your business. These goals should challenge you and provide direction for your team. Another important aspect of momentum is taking consistent action towards your goals. Consistency is key when it comes to achieving significant results in your business. To maintain momentum, it's essential to stay focused on your priorities and eliminate distractions. Another way to build momentum is by celebrating small victories along the way. Recognizing and rewarding progress will help motivate you and your team to keep pushing forward. Additionally, it's important to surround yourself with like-minded individuals who are driven and ambitious. Collaborating and learning from others can provide valuable insights and new opportunities for your business. Investing in your personal and professional development is also crucial for long-term business success. Continuously learning new skills and staying updated on industry trends will help you stay ahead of the competition. As your business gains momentum, it's important to remain adaptable and open to change. Being flexible allows you to adjust your strategies and take advantage of new opportunities as they arise. Customer feedback is vital for maintaining momentum and improving your business. Listen to your customers' needs and implement changes based on their feedback to ensure continued growth. Delegate tasks that you're not the best at or that don't drive the most value to your team. This allows you to focus on the areas where you can make the most significant impact. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks and step out of your comfort zone. Taking risks can lead to breakthroughs and exponential growth in your business. Keep track of your progress and analyze data to identify areas for improvement. By measuring your results, you can make data-driven decisions that contribute to your business's momentum. Lastly, never underestimate the power of positivity and a strong mindset. Believe in yourself and your abilities to overcome challenges and achieve your business goals. Remember, building momentum takes time and consistent effort, but the rewards are well worth it. So, start implementing these strategies today and watch your business soar to new heights.